Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet y Tejidos. In this video I'm going to teach you how to crochet this easy crochet stitch. I hope you guys like it and give it a try, and here is the list of material that you're going to need to make it. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell, that way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you're receiving a Spanish video and you want to see an English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, I have some playlists. One of them is Ruby Stedman English tutorial. I have all my English tutorial. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook and loops and thread will like similar length. 100 grams, 85% acrylic, 15% nylon, red, and it's a super fine 1 yarn. I just giving you the material I'm using just in case you like the way the stitch look and you want to use the same yarn. The stitch is multiple of 8 plus 1, so I'm gonna do a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 24 plus 1, 25 chains. Once you have your 25 chains, once you have the amount of chain that you need for your project, you're gonna chain one more. You're gonna count one, and then the second one you're gonna do a single crochet. You're going to chain one, yarn over, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and in the number 4 you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same space. And 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same space. And 3. You're going to chain 1. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, and in number 4 you're going to do a single crochet. And that's the repetition that you're going to do in row 1. You're going to chain 1. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, and in number 4 you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, you're going to count 3, and then number 4, a single crochet. And you're going to finish with a single crochet at the end. For row 2 you're going to chain 6. You're going to turn your work around, and you're going to do a single crochet and the chain 1 space in between the double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, a double crochet, and this single crochet. And that's how you're going to continue. Chain 3, a single crochet, and the chain 3 space. Chain 3, a double crochet, and the single crochet. And at the end you're going to finish with a chain 3 and a double crochet on top of the last single crochet. For row 3, you're going to chain 3, turn your work around, and that's in space. You're going to do 3 more double crochet, and the chain of 3 is number 4. So in that same space, 3 more. So you will have 4 with a chain of 3. Chain 1, you're going to do a single crochet inside that single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, and top of this double crochet you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and that's the repetition that we're going to do in row 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, a single crochet on top of the single crochet, and that's how you're going to continue with the chain 1 and top of the double crochet. You're going to do the 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and chain 3, and you're going to finish here. You start in this row with 6 chain, so in number 3 you're going to do that will be the chain in the center. You're going to do 4 double crochet. We're going to work on row 4, and those will be the 4 row repetition that you do over and over until you have the size of your project. You're going to chain 1, turn your work around, and that's in space. You're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, a double crochet in this single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and that chain space like this. So you will chain 3 double crochet, chain 3 single crochet, chain 3 double crochet, chain 3 single crochet at the end and top of the third chain. I'm gonna show you one more time those 4 rows repetition. That way you see 2 full motif done. So to start the repetition of 1, you're gonna chain 1, turn your work around, and that same space in top of the single crochet, you're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain 1, yarn over, and top of this double crochet, you're gonna do 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. And 3. Chain 1, a single crochet, and top of the single crochet. You're gonna chain 1, and again you're gonna do your 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet on top of this double crochet, chain 1, a single crochet on top of the single crochet, and the 6 double crochet with the chain 1 space in between 3, and then you're gonna finish with a single crochet at the end. Repetition of 2, you're gonna chain 6. Turn your work around, single crochet, and the chain space. Chain 3, double crochet, and the single crochet. And like that, you're gonna continue. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet on top of this single crochet. I'm gonna work a repetition of 3. You're gonna chain 3. Turn your work around. You're gonna do 3 double crochet in that space, and with a chain 3 will be 4. 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna chain 1. You're gonna do a single crochet on top of the single crochet. You're gonna chain 1, yarn over, and you're gonna do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and the double crochet. One in the row space. Two, chain 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the space, chain 1, a single crochet on top of the single crochet, and like that is how you're going to do the repetition of 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, 4 double crochet on the third chain from the bottom up. We're going to work in repetition of 4, chain 1, then you work around, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3, yarn over, double crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 1 space. And like that is how you're going to continue in the repetition of row 4. Well, those are the first row repetitions that you're going to do to create this stitch. It's very easy and very fast to do, and it looks really, really nice. And when you finish the project that you're making with this, you'll finish with a repetition of row 2 or 4. It's this one in here. They're both the same. Well, I hope you guys like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed and you make this stitch or something with this stitch and you want to send me some pictures. You can do it through my Facebook page Ruby Net Crochet Tejido or my Instagram Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family, that way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.